Have you ever wondered what mysterious sounds in the forest really mean? If you hear a series of rapid tapping noises, it could be woodpeckers on the hunt. Beware, they can flock and become aggressive. Imagine falling asleep anywhere and staying that way for days. In Kalachi, Kazakhstan, people mysteriously fall into deep sleeps, lasting 4 to 6 days. Scientists believe a gas from uranium might be the cause. Did you know pigs might never see the sky? Often kept in enclosed spaces, these creatures live their entire lives without a glimpse of the open sky. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts. See you in the next video.